Hey again, in this video we're going to be covering exactly how to use the mind map tool and understanding how we drill down with the nodes and what the purpose of that is. So within the context of the mind map, obviously the purpose of it is to get strategic insights, get reports, get analysis, and really use AI to interrogate the business and get some meaningful information. To do that, there's a couple of ways we can attack the process. Essentially, we can look at it from a holistic perspective. So if we click on the business block here, this kind of central node, what we can see is the ability to run reports such as gap analysis, go-to-market, etc. Or we can actually drill down and add further context. Now we can see by default that we have all of the individual nodes here displayed out from the main business node. If we select a specific one of these, we can see that each tag can be either selected or deselected, and that's providing the context of any report that we produce from there. So rather than choosing it from the central business block, we can choose a feature or a different part of the business, like a different business node, and find a report from there. So for example, we may choose, rather than just looking at all the features of the business, which might be too much if we were going to look for a go-to-market strategy for every single feature, we could deselect them all and choose a specific area. So for example, it could be push notifications as a feature of the business or the product of the business. In this case now, we could run a report. It would be specifically within the context of push notifications. Additionally, we can also drill down further than that. So rather than just looking at features of push notifications, again, if I select the node, we can see, as well as reports and insights, we also have the ability to drill down. So for example, we could choose the market. And again, here we can either choose to select all, or we could choose a specific segment, a market segment that we're interested in, for example, restaurant owners. And so now we're looking at the specific context. So now we're looking at the specific context of push notifications specifically for restaurant owners. And now we can start to get insight in terms of what are the pain points, what is the gap analysis, what's the go-to-market for this particular segment. And we can keep drilling down and selecting different nodes. For example, maybe we want to look at the benefits. So what are the benefits of restaurant owners for using push notifications? Is it, for example, improved communication? Is that the benefit that we want to focus on? And now we can look at the either competitors who are providing that, or we can look at the channels, or we can look further drilling down. So this is the whole concept of using mind maps and being able to drill down and get further context and really get laser targeted strategy, analysis and insights into your business, simply just by pointing and clicking and validating the steps, the process and the context of the business that we're providing to AI. I'm sure you agree, it's a very simple way to start to get some really exciting insights into your business. In the next video, we're going to cover exactly the sort of reports and strategy and how we further delve in and leverage the mind map to get further insights into the business. Catch you there. Bye.